Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a spreadsheet for your project and for anything else that you might do. Spreadsheet is really useful for doing your calculations for you so you can keep track of costs and create functions. So I'm going to create a new spreadsheet. Alright, I'm going to call this sample spreadsheet. I'm actually going to call it number 2 since we did one before. Right. I'm going to create a column at the top, and you don't have to do it this way. There's many different ways. But let's say I'm trying to make a spreadsheet that keeps track of inventory and cost. Then I'm going to put inventory on one column, cost on the other. And let's say that I have pens, pencils, erasers that I've bought. All right. And maybe the cost in total of the pencils was $3.44. The cost in pencils was $5.10, and the erasers was $2.09. Right, I'm going to leave enough room so I can continue to add, and then down here I'm going to add a function for sum, and then highlight everything I wanted to add up. Okay, so there we go, 1063. It's keeping track of it for me. So now every time I add something or take it away, it will help me decide on my budget. So for example, if I say to myself, okay, I also need to buy elastics, and I know it's a 1063, and let's say my budget was $20, then I'll know, oh, this costs $4.59. Okay, now I'm at $15.22. It's keeping track of it down there for me. So I'm going to put down total here so that I know that's the total. But the other thing that I can do is I can create other functions. So for example, maybe one thing you want to do is compare sales projections and projected profit. Okay, so I spent $15.22 on the cost of my inventory. I think we're going to sell, and the customers are going to give us 30 bucks. That's my sales projection. Now what I can do is create a function down here. Okay, and I don't have to go up to insert function. I can actually just go to equals. That tells the spreadsheet that I'm creating a function. And then I can go B18, which is sales projections, minus B17, and then bam. It tells me my projected profit. So for example, even if I change something now, oh, I forgot, we need to buy pencil sharpeners as well. Even if I change something and add 222 to the total, it's automatically changing my total sales projections and projected profit for me, so I can keep track of it in a much more clearer way. And then if you have this shared with your partner and me in the Google Drive, then it will always be there for you to go back to. All right? So for example,
please excuse this interruption. The announcements will begin in 2 minutes.
You could duplicate this and create the same exact one for your actual sales. So at the end of the store, you can do actual sales that you made and the real profit. Maybe you'll find out, oh man, we wanted to sell 30, but we ended up selling 40 bucks of sales. And then we made a profit. We thought we were going to make a profit of $12.56, but we ended up making a profit of $22.56. So that's what a spreadsheet helps you to do. Use it, please, to keep track